So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in our last video I introduced you to Python and I told you about some features of it, some good things about it, how it is used, where it is used, why should we learn it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python in your operating system. So basically I'm in Macintosh operating system. So if you're in Windows you may follow this video. I'm going to tell you even how you can download for Windows also. So if you're in Mac it's going to be really easy because I'm in Mac OS, so you will understand it very easily. Okay, so firstly, if you're in Windows or Mac, simply you have to firstly, if you're in Mac, you have to install Homebrew. Just go and search Homebrew and just install this package. Just copy this package and go to your Spotlight search and search for terminal. Okay, now you can paste this and hit enter. It will ask for the password. I've already installed it, so steps are really simple. You have to just put password and it will install it. Okay, after that you can just go to your Google Chrome and now search for Python download, and now the www.python.org. This website is official website of Python, so I will leave the link in the description. Okay, so you can go ahead and download it. And guys, before starting the download, I may request you to please subscribe to my channel, and because I'm just having 170 subscribers from last 10-15 days, so please guys, you may just increase my subscriber to 200 so that I would also feel happy and I would be motivated to make videos. So after that, go to this downloads, and now go to all releases. And now for Windows, you will see just download the latest version for Windows or Mac OS. Okay, so if you're in Windows, just click on it. I'm in Mac OS, so it will download. Okay, so after some really simple steps, you can just install it. So I'm canceling it, and if you're in Windows, you have to do the same. So basically you have to just go to continue, and you have to read the statements, and then you have to tick some checkbox there in the left hand corner. I will show you in the screen how it will look. So you have to just tick that a checkbox that is add Python to environmental variables if you're in Windows. So after installing Python, your Python is ready. Tkinter and Turtle modules will be already installed because they are the default packages on the Python. So from the next video we're going to learn how we can just print anything in Python, some basic functionalities and if-else statements, operators, and really much more. So stay tuned in the playlist, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like this video by your hands and just share this to your friends and families. So have a nice day. Goodbye.